Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make omelet very tasty. Full guide. Crack eggs into a bowl and whisk until uniform, adding a splash of milk or cream for silkiness. Season gently with salt and pepper and let the mixture rest while prepping fillings. Choose fresh ingredients and chop uniformly so they cook evenly. Prep a non-stick pan and warm it before pouring eggs to ensure even cooking and easy folding. Warm and conversational, here's the core cooking technique you can use every time for a reliable omelet. Preheat your nonstick pan over medium heat and melt butter until it foams but does not brown. Pour the whisked eggs and let the edges set, tilting the pan while lifting edges so uncooked eggs flow beneath. Add fillings, fold gently, and slide the omelet onto a warm plate for immediate serving and enjoyment. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like if you find it helpful. Quick recommendation: droplets stay hydrated anywhere with the Omelette water bottle. Check the description for the link and other deals. It's handy to have a reliable bottle while you cook or prep. Supporting the channel helps me keep making useful content, and you'll find the exact product and discounts in the description. Now let's get back to the video. Keep the tone friendly and encouraging as you refine flavors with small, effective changes. Use fresh herbs like chives or parsley to brighten the dish, and add a pinch of smoked paprika or black pepper for warmth. Choose a balance of cheeses and fillings so nothing overpowers the eggs, and sauté mushrooms or peppers briefly to concentrate flavors and remove excess water. Taste as you go and adjust seasoning before folding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.